Hey guys, today is Thursday, April 23rd. Today, your job is to practice doing an MLA citation. It is due tonight. It shouldn't take you too incredibly long. So to get to it, go down to your short story and research paper folder and then click on MLA citation practice. It should bring you to this. It'll make a copy for you. Um, and if you click down here, it'll open this up. What you need to do is you need to fill out an MLA citation entry template for each one of these sources. So there's a source listed right up here. You need to click on it and go to it. And then you need to search around to look for the information that goes in here. So like for this first one, we have our author who's Shannon Bond. So we would put Shannon Bond in here. Remember when you're typing in authors, it goes last name, comma, first name. So it would be Bond, comma, Shannon. Then you'll look for the title. The title obviously is right here. Remember to put quotation marks around it. So your job is to go through and do the rest of that one. You also then need to do this one from Reuters and this one from the BBC. If you have questions, let me know. Do your best. Look for the information, see what you can find. Remember, if you don't have something, you just skip it. Don't put NA in there. Don't put any of that kind of stuff in there. Just hit skip. Don't forget to put in your like quotation marks, periods, commas, all that kind of stuff. And remember, authors are last name, comma, first name, and dates should be day, month, year. Months should be abbreviated, except for May, June, and July, and September is SEPT, period. Let me know if you have questions. None of these will have a container too, because none of them are from a database. So let me know if you have questions. Otherwise, have a great day.